Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is the start of the Dollar General clearance sale. It goes on today, Saturday, and Sunday. A lot of people want to use their 5 off of 25 on Saturday with their clearance products, but if there's something you really want to get, you probably want to go today because the stores I went to, stuff was selling pretty fast. I'm going to show you the stuff I got. I got a lot of doubles of stuff. I'm going to try not to show you, like if I got 6 of something, all 6 of them. And tell you which coupons I used, if I used any. And yes, you can use coupons on clearance items. Don't let your store tell you you can't. The one thing I ran into at one of my stores, some of the stuff in the clearance section was not ringing up 50% off. So make sure you use your app and definitely scan the products. And some of the stuff, like the POGs, the orange tags, were not labeled in some of my stores, so nobody knew they were on sale, which is totally awesome. All right, the first thing I got was this green dot pillow. It's usually $8, and I got it for $4. I got a couple of these. And this body pillow is normally $12, and I got it for $6 because those red and green dots are going to ring up half off the price that they're marked. Now, I got these Clorox wipes. They're normally $4.50. There are 75 wipes in each container. They're usually $4.50, so they're $2.25 a piece. I had a $1.50 coupon, so $4.50 minus $1.50 would be $3, so they'd be $1.50 a piece by the time you're done. And if my math is off this morning, I'm sorry. I'm tired. I got up really early to do the sale, and I went to bed really late because I was checking coupons. The Country Time Strawberry Lemonade, 64 ounce. These are ringing up for only 30 cents a piece because remember, it was already 70% off. Then you take that price and minus 50%. So you can't beat 30 cents for that big drink. These Glad Extra Thick Family Size Freezer Quart Zipper Bags are ringing up for $1.80, which is an awesome price for these. The Johnson's Cotton Touch Newborn Wash and Shampoo. These are ringing up for $2.25, and so isn't the Cotton Touch Lotion. We have a $2 paper coupon, so these will be just 25 cents. I don't remember which insert it was. If you want to find a paper coupon, go to coupontom.com. You can type in the product you're looking for, and it will tell you where to find the paper coupon. All right, these Glade candles, these are usually $5, and there were 40% off, and then you take that price and do another 50% off. So they're ringing up, they're $1.50 a piece. So we had $1 off of 2 digital, making them just $1 a piece after your digital coupon, but you've got to buy 2 because the digital coupon's $1 off of 2. These little Nivea, they're over by the checkout. They're little lotions. I got a bunch of them. They're ringing up for 37 cents a piece. I think I got like 8 of them. The EOS Organic Sweet Mint and the Vanilla Bean, they're normally $2, so they're $1 a piece, which isn't bad. The Garnier Whole Blends, this is infused with ginger and golden honey, the conditioner. What were these? These were ringing up at, I think, $1.40 or something like that. But we have a $2 digital, making them a 60-cent moneymaker. So definitely, if you have the digital coupon on your account, you should. There's a $2 off one, I think a $2 off 2 or something. But these are a 60-cent moneymaker if you get them. The Olay. This is ringing up for $2.36, and we have a $1 digital coupon for Olay products, making it just $1.36, which is a great price for Olay products. All right, I got the Scentiva. These are ringing up $1.57 a piece. We have a $1 off 2 coupon. They're normally $3.15. So it's a paper coupon. After your paper coupon, it will be just $1.07 a piece, and you have to buy 2. These, I got like 20 of these. These slush puppy drinks are ringing up at only 15 cents. So this is an awesome deal. All right, I'm going to grab more stuff from the back, so I'm going to hit pause. All right, the Osteo Biflex, it is marked $9 in clearance. It is ringing up at $2.70. We have a $5 digital that we got quite a while ago, so that will apply. You will get overage towards the rest of your products, making it a $2.30 moneymaker. There's so much stuff. It's ridiculous. These cute signs. This is a laundry sign. These are $2.50. They're normally $5. And they're red dot. These Kleenex wet wipes are ringing up at 90 cents. We have a 75-cent paper coupon, making them only 15 cents. This I got, this does not have a coupon, but the Crazy Glue is only $1, I think, $1.12. So that's a good deal. These Bowl Fresh Bowl Cleaner and Air Freshener are ringing up at 30 cents. No coupon needed. We got another Osteo Biflex for the overage. More of the wet wipes. I got some lighters. These rang up for $1.17 a pack. Also, with the Glad, sorry, I have so much Dollar General stuff in my car right now, it's ridiculous. These Glad family size freezer bags, there's 40 of them. Let me check to show you guys how much they're ringing up at, in case you want to get them. I think they're $1 something. Wrong receipt. I went to 2 stores. Sorry, guys. Just bear with me. The Glad is ringing up. This one's $1.80 too, just like the other one. $1.80. All right, we found more of these summer foods. And this one was the Warheads Extreme Sour. And these are ringing up, I think, 30 cents. Yep, 30 cents for these. The Jolly Rancher ones are ringing up 60 cents. They're a little more. They're all those Freezy Pops. This is a great deal. These pistachios, now they are sweet chili, so I don't know how they'll taste. These are ringing up at 60 cents a bag, which is amazing because a little tiny bag is like 30 cents. I mean, $3. So now the other Glade candles that are on sale are the patchouli. So it's going to be $3 for 2. Use that digital coupon, making them $1 a piece. The Febreze Wax Melt. It's a Hawaiian. They got the sticker over it. It's a Hawaiian one. These are ringing up at $1.50. We have a digital coupon for $1 off Febreze products, making it just 50 cents. I also got this nice big doormat. They're usually $10. And I paid $5. I don't even know if you can see it. It says Home Sweet Home. But they're very messy. I have it all through my car. The Listerine is ringing up at $2.25, and we have $1 digital, making it $1.25. And this is the Sensitivity Zero Alcohol. Now, if you see something in your that I'm showing you and they don't have it in your store marked as clearance, scan it anyway, because a lot of the stores are not marking their clearance, so you can make out really well. Hold on, I'm going to check the back, see if I have more. All right, a few more things to show you. The rest in the back, if you see it back there, it's all doubles of what I've already showed you. These Comfort Bay twin quilts are ringing up at $7.50. They're normally $15. The True Living pan set, usually $10. You get 2 pans. These are ringing up at $5. And I think, these inflatable chairs are normally $15, and these are ringing up at $7. So my best advice if you're going to the clearance sale is definitely scan everything on your scanner. As seen on TV products, some of those were not ringing up on sale as they were clearly marked on sale, but I didn't fight with the lady. I didn't have time. So just scan everything. Utilize your coupons to get even extra savings. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer it. All right, everyone. Good luck shopping at your clearance event.